Colton, I'm ready. I have my whittling stick.
Grace, that's not a stick. That's more like a wall.
It's a stick.
That's too big, Grace. Grace, that's a little bit too big. Yeah, you should probably get something a little bit smaller. Or a lot of bit smaller.
It's gonna take me so long to put this back. Okay. Oops. Okay. Exactly. How about this?
There you go.
Okay.
So I've got some gloves.
Oh, gloves.
Yeah.
Are these
There you
like
go.
fancy gloves? Are these like wear to the prom?
These
gloves?
are cut resistant. Yeah,
These don't look like
thank you.
wear to the prom gloves.
No, these are cut resistant gloves. So they just protect your hands.
Do I put it on the hand that I cut with?
Yeah. So your left hand. Yeah.
Wait.
I'm sorry. No. When you hold the stick, and you're cutting with your right hand, you don't want to hit your thumb or your fingers. So you put the glove onto the hand that you hold the stick with.
Ah, I
or that. Whatever that is.
You're not like my stick?
It's not a stick, but it'll work.
Okay.
There you
Ooh, is this the knife?
Yes. So this is the knife. You can kind of. Yep.
Okay.
So it's got a nice little sheath.
Wow.
Here we go. Yeah.
Fancy. This is very cool.
So
Is this like a special whittling knife?
it is. So it's got a thick handle for a nice grip,
Mm-hmm.
and then a nice big top side of the blade, so you can rest your thumb here.
Oh, cool. And then it won't hurt my thumb when I press down.
Right.
Oh,
Yep.
that's
And
really
that also
fancy.
helps you get more leverage.
Oh, cool.
Okay. So hold your stick with your left hand. So you want to basically shave off the top layer of your stick. Okay. So push forward with your thumb and shave off. So there you go.
So, Colton, it sounds like you've been doing this for a while.
Yes, I have. I got my first knife when I was about 6 years old. Yeah, and I just started hacking away at some sticks.
Wow, that's really cool. Have you made some cool things?
I have. I've made a whistle. That was actually pretty cool.
Oh, a whistle!
Yeah,
I can whistle.
that's so cool.
Hey, what are you guys
did it
doing?
again.
What are you guys doing?
We're
Whoa.
whittling.
I saw knives from a really far distance away, and I thought I needed to keep on my protective gear because, oh my gosh, knives seem worse than bullwhips. Wow, so fascinating. So you're whittling.
We are.
You want to know a fun fact about whittling?
Sure.
Whittling, there's two types of whittling.
Whoa.
So one type is what you're doing, where you take a knife and you just kind of shave away wood pieces. The other kind of whittling is where you make art forms
I want to make that.
out of pieces of wood. So Colton didn't quite make this, but I'm sure your skills are, they're going to be like this after some practice.
That's
But
pretty
yes,
crazy.
so both forms of carving out wood are considered whittling.
I got a leg. That's as far as I got. Thank you.
I think I have.
You got the body.
Yeah.
We just gotta put ours together.
You could probably make a boat. or a
That
race
could be
car.
the head there.
I'm going to call it abstract art.
Okay.
It's going to
Looks
be
great.
a
Really.
trapezoid that reflects my deepest feelings of wanting to be a cowboy. I think I could sell it to a museum for a lot of money.
You probably
I
could.
probably could.
Yeah,
Wow, okay, so you've been doing this for a while. You made a whistle.
I did.
And what else? I forget.
I've made a spoon.
Ooh,
I don't
that's
know.
really cool.
Yeah, it was kind of cool. And then just been kind of tinkering around with some other projects, but yeah, it's been really fun. I have loved to just get a stick, whittle. Yeah.
So it seems like when you're at the ranch, you're not really ever bored, are you?
No, you're not.
That's really cool because I feel like when I'm at home sometimes I get really bored. But I guess you can always choose to do something like whittle.
Right.
That would be a fun thing to do. Maybe
Yeah.
you get bored at home.
Yeah.
When I was little, my mom used to always tell me that boredom is a choice, Grace. And that you can choose to do something else. She didn't have a knife while she said that.
Well, that's probably a
So that
good
was
thing.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that's cool. I love how you're making the choice out here to do really cool, awesome things. But this is cool because I don't have to be on a ranch to do it.
Right. Yeah. You pretty much get a knife and a stick anyway.
That is really cool.
Yeah.
Maybe someday will you teach me how to make a whistle?
I sure can.
Ooh, whistle.
Do you want to know one more fun whittling fact?
Yes.
That is so fun.
Yeah.
Whittling, how did it come to California? Do you have any idea?
Marco Polo.
No. Anyhow, whittling became most popular during the century of 1865 to 1965. What happened way early back, actually during the war, people from the Civil War. So people
long time
from
ago.
the different states or soldiers from the different states would bring their whittling skills with them. And then when they were sitting around a campfire and they met someone from a different state, they usually were whittling different objects and they would share those objects with each other. And then once the war was over, they took all of the fun things that they learned to make back to their homes and to their communities, especially children, and taught them how to make different whittling objects, art forms, things like that from the different areas of the country.
Wow.
Very fun.
That is so cool. Thanks for
That is
that.
awesome.
Yeah. Wow, so we're like a part of history.
Yeah.
By doing this.
That's interesting.
We are both not bored and historically accurate,
Yeah.
I think.
I could do this for my history.
Ooh, you could.
Yeah.
That would be really cool.
It would.
Wow. Well, this is really cool, Colton. Thanks
Yeah.
for teaching us so much.
You're
It seems like your
welcome.
life here is pretty cool at the ranch.
I do like it.
Some hard work, but a lot of fun.
I do have a lot of fun.
Work hard, play hard.
Exactly.
That's a good way to live your life.
It sure is. Yep. Yeah, a lot of people do think that whittling can be boring, but I don't like to drink coffee. I whittle. But when you sit out on the front porch swing and drink coffee, I whittle.
That is so cool, and you're actually doing something that's like semi-productive.
It is.
The only thing that coffee is productive for
Keeping
is,
you awake.
Actually, it makes me hyper.
That's.
It might make me less productive. I'll ask my boss.
Yeah,
We'll see.
Okay.
I'll keep you updated.
All right.
He might cut me off.
Let's hope not.
I hope not too.
Maybe take up whittling more often than you do drink coffee.
Yeah. That
Probably
would
a
be
good idea.
Good new habit. Good new hobby.
Yeah,
Nice thing
there
to
you
do when you're just home and chilling.
Yes,
That is for sure.
for sure.
Well, Colton, I really appreciate you teaching me how to be a cowboy. It seems like it's really cool to be in the country, to be a cowboy.
Yeah.
There's definitely something special that I'm going to have to try to do. Even at home, right? Because I can still have a little bit of country inside of me when I'm home.
You sure can.
Yeah. I like it. I also like how country is so chivalry oriented. You're like, you've been such a gentleman. You've been so kind as you've been teaching us, and you've been so
thank you.
patient as, I bring a log to whittling class.
Yeah, I still don't know how we're gonna get that back, but we'll think of some way.
It's okay. We'll make the cat drag it back.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, thank you, Colton. This
You're
is
welcome.
awesome. I appreciate it.
Yeah. So
no
fun.
problem.
Hello, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a little bit about how you can bring country living into your lifestyle. Like and subscribe and leave a comment about what you love about the country. We'll see ya.